So, I was on a date with a gorgeous woman. Her phone was dead. Long story short, we spent 20 minutes not getting to know each other in her car. So, how about this weather?
A thought occurred to me. Why doesn't my car adapter have a battery inside? And thus, Pocket Rocket was born.
If only we'd had Pocket Rocket, we could have spent that same 20 minutes not getting to know each other over drinks.
Oh no, I'm at my destination and my phone needs more power. No problem, I have the Pocket Rocket. I'll just take my power with me. You always know where it is. It's in your car's cigarette lighter. It's always charged when you need it. It has a belt hook. It has a light that's certainly useful for lighting stuff.
Thank you, Pocket Rocket.
It has Easter eggs.
Back us on Kickstarter today, and we'll bring Pocket Rocket to the masses. Is that a Pocket Rocket in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
It's a Pocket Rocket.
It was stupid enough. I want to ride my bicycle.